Hello guys, welcome to my first video. I'm your CS master, Angus. Today I'm going to share some Python programming books to you and explain why they are so good for beginner as well as experienced programmer like you and I. The first book I want to introduce is Python for Everybody by Charles. This book is specially chosen for those who intended to learn Python in general. The main rationale I'm promoting this book is because this is an open book, which you can get it for free. The context and content are short, simple and easy to understand. And at the same time, this book comes with code and output, so I don't need a PC or a Python interpreter with me while I'm learning. This book also covers general Python, object-oriented programming, network program, web services, databases, and SQL, and visualizing data as well. So if this book suits your need, you can download from the link in the description. Besides, this is the textbook for the Python for Everybody specialization in Coursera. The second book I'm going to introduce is focused more on machine or deep learning. This book is Mastering Machine Learning with Python in 6 Steps by Manohar Swaminathan. Why do I introduce this book? It's because it's very concise, with a mix of theories and practical. It comes with code snippet, description, diagram, output, and cheat sheet. It covers general Python, machine learning fundamentals, model tuning, text mining, and deep learning as well. It's perfect for programmers who are interested in Python, machine learning at the same time. But the cons here is it's not cheap. It's $40 on Amazon. However, you can download it from the description down below. It's for education purpose. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more content like this. See ya. Cheers.